Bienvenidos a esta siguiente charla de el SQL de Costa Rica. Vamos a ver la presentación sobre visualización de Data Analytics con Power BI. Hi, can you hear me? Are you ready to start your streaming? Can you unmute yourself, please?
I can hear you.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, we are now live.
I can hear you. Yeah, thanks. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today in the SQL Saturday. My name is Golan Somanathan, and I'm the founder of CubeMac Labs. The company is dedicated to helping business of all sizes leverages of power of data analytics to make informed decisions. Today, I am excited to share with you one of the tools that we use at data analytics to help our clients visualize their data and gain insights that drive their business forward. That tool is Power BI. So, without wasting time, I am starting my presentation on visualizing your own data analytics with Power BI. So here is a brief description about me. I'm the senior application consultant for Oracle F&B products and hospitality technology, and I'm the founder of CubeMac Labs, where we deliver customized application development, DevOps, and cloud solution, as well as we transforms your unique ideas into powerful solution. More than that, I'm happiest person to too much of interest in information technology and believe positive attitude in all walks of life. That's all about me, and here are the sponsors of our event. The main sponsors for this event is Microsoft as well as Commute that Windows Data Chapter. So hope you understand about me and the sponsors. Say straight away I am drive into my presentation. So all of you know what is Power BI and what is Power Platform in Microsoft. So Power BI is focused on communicating the benefits of capabilities of Microsoft's business analytics service. So Power BI is one of the most powerful platform from the Microsoft. Sorry. So one of the most uh, beautiful platform by Microsoft that have the capabilities of data modeling and transformation of capabilities, and all as well as customizable visualization and dashboards, integration with variety of data sources and cloud services, collaboration of sharing features for teams and organizations. So whenever we are talking about data visualization and data streaming, data modeling, so in traditional days we use hard coding or so many languages like Python, C++, Visual Basic, and so many things. But if you consider in the latest technologies, there's a platform, low code platform is available, and from the Microsoft we are having a powerful tool called Microsoft Power BI. So if someone asks what is Power BI, Power BI is a business analytics service developed by Microsoft that allows users to connect to a wide range of data sources. With Power BI, users can connect to various data sources, even own data sources, or such as spreadsheets, database, and cloud-based application, and combine them to a combine them to create a unified view of their data. This platform also offers a range of data transformation and modeling capabilities, including cleaning, filtering, and transforming data as well, creating relationship automatically in between data and data sources and different data sources. Once the data is prepared, Power BI enables users to create interactive reports and visualizations, including charts, graphs, tables, and maps. So, in this session, I'm going to show you a basic data source and how to organize your data using visualization or charts and graphs, and at the end of the day, uh, how to share them in a proper data dashboard. These visualization can be customized to suit their needs of the users, can be easily shared with others within the organization. If you have Microsoft 365 license, that's more enough to share among with other users or colleagues within your organization. Also, include features for collaboration and sharing, such as ability to collaborate with team members in real time and non-real time or near real time as well. Overall, Power BI is a powerful and flexible platform that helps business of all sizes to analyze their data and gain insights and make informed decisions. So hope you have a basic idea about what is Power BI and how Power BI is working. So in Power BI, the most important thing is data sources. So Power BI supports a wide range of data sources, such as databases including SQL, Oracle, MySQL, or any other databases, a cloud service such as Azure, that is owned by Microsoft, AWS, that is owned by Amazon, Google Cloud, or offline files such as Excel, CSV, XML, or else you can use web services or APIs from Salesforce or Google Analytics or Facebook or any other API. Even if you can make your own connectors as well. So what is connector? I will do a session on this later. In addition, Power BI offers a wide range of data transformation and modeling capabilities, including cleaning, filtering, and transformation of data, as I said earlier. Power BI provides seamless integration with these data sources, making it easy for users to connect their data and start analyzing it. Users can import data into Power BI or establish a live connection to their data sources to ensure that their reports and visualizations are always up to date. So here I have shared some of the NuGet packages. If you are working with .NET development, you can able to know what is packages and what is NuGet packages. So here are some packages which I developed and I have shared among NuGet packages on the data analytics and machine learning. So in case if you don't know what is machine learning, uh, maybe I can share a simple slide. Oh no, I don't have. So machine learning is a field of computer science and artificial intelligence that focuses on developing. So most of the time, or most of the people now converting their business into machine learning or using machine learning and artificial intelligence to get good prospects of their nature of business. The process of machine learning involves training a computer model using a large data set of example data and known as training set. So in this case, if you have a question, how machine learning and Power BI helps together. Here are some answers I have. Power BI and machine learning can be used together to create powerful analytic solutions that enable business gain valuable insight from their data. Also, Power BI provides a user interface. So if you take the traditional development, you need thousand lines of uh, codes or thousand lines of scripts or thousand lines of libraries you need, and the person who developed the dashboard or the person who developed the interact reports, they might need actual knowledge of the programming, but here he or she doesn't need that. Power BI provides a user friendly interface for data visualization, just as drag and drop and connect data, allowing users to create interactive dashboard and reports that enable them to explore their data and identify patterns from trends. However, to go beyond descriptive analytics and gain deeper insights, machine learning algorithms can be integrated into Power BI to enable predictive and prospective analytics. So prediction is the thing we are expecting from our data. By integrating machine learning models into Power BI, business can gain insights that go beyond simple reporting, such as predicting customer behavior or forecasting sales trend, as well as if you come across the security, detecting fraud and optimizing business process. If a customer has get a product from a company or organization, and if the customer fail to pay the installment, or installment payment is not paid in successful for the previous payment or previous product, we can predict this customer is not good for the next product. Also, Power BI can consume and display results from machine learning models built in other services such as Azure Machine or other cloud, or custom models using Python, R, or any other languages. So I don't want to share more knowledge about machine learning topic, since this topic is mostly about Power BI. So moving on to my next session. So here's the hands-on lab for data visualization and analytics. So hope everyone has understand what is Power BI and have a basic idea of how to how we can use Power BI to our organization and gain our business strength. So I'm going to share my Power BI screen. To work with the Power BI, you need Power BI desktop or Power BI, what do you call it? Power BI web application. So here I'm going to share my screen. The end of the day, my idea is to create a dashboard like this. I think still it's not preview. Yes, I have shared. Sure. Can you able to see my Power BI screen? Not sure. I have shared, but it's not showing. Let me share the screen again. Yeah, you can able to see my screen. The end of the day, my plan is to create a dashboard like this. So I have taken this data from an Excel sheet which is available in my laptop. So I will show you how to take this Excel sheet from your laptop or computer. Before that, I'm going to open a new brand new Power BI Power BI application. So I have opened up Power BI. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, I can see. So this is the untitled blank blank Power BI template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the data from the Excel sheet which is available on my laptop. So straight away you can get the data from import data from Excel, or you can either you can import data from SQL Server, as well as you can there are plenty of ways to export this data from uh, export the data from the laptop or the data source. So here are some ways I have showed. Alternatively, what we can do is here I'm going to import the data from my share which is available on downloads and dashboard in a day, and I'm going to take all files and sample, and I'm going to take this data or daily data dot xlx. So now I have selected the data source which is available in my laptop, and it's getting imported. It's still not getting imported, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to import to my Power BI cloud. So here I'm going to select those all three tables. So here if you see there's a suggested table as well. Reminiscent table, and I'm going to load the data. So now the data is loading inside my Power BI. So I'm preparing the data to basic dashboard. So there's a plenty of ways to connect this data. So now you can see these tables have already exported. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do a base. I'm going to build a basic pie chart with the data. So what are the data I'm going to show? So here, this is the data field. So what I'm going to do is check total. So this data is about a restaurant and employee who opened the checks and who closed the checks, and what about the service charge he get and the subtotal. So I'm going to check employee versus service charge. So if you see, once I ticked, it's automatically available those fields inside the Visual Studio. So if you if you look at this function, within a few minutes, I have developed this dashboard. You see, within a few seconds, I have chosen the data source and I have developed this dashboard. So that is called the power of BI is called Power BI. So next, this is one of the what they call it's what I did was a pie chart. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a basic in the dashboard. The dashboard is a storyteller. So if you look at the dashboard, you might able to know what's happening there. So there should be a summary. So I'm going to show you the subtotal or total of the today's summary. So if we need to do summarize or total, we can choose the card method. So inside the cart method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the total summary of subtotals. So here it's showing 28K. So now you will be able to get how to here it's showing 280k. So but the actual amount is not 280k. There's some three notation or two notation decimals as well. So how to do that, how to format that one, I'm going to show you. So if you could 1 second. So if you want to show that, select this card and go to format your visual and go to general and sorry, in the visual, and you can see display units into none, or you can select thousands. So I'm going to show you none, and the decimal places I'm going to take one or two. So you can see it showing sum of subtotal without calculating this. So alternatively, you can rename it. Uh, Maybe we can put a rename called today's summary. So how to name it? Select this one inside the general tab. Go to title and make a title called today's operation summary. And if you want, you can change the font, can change the heading style, or else you can put a big title to show this is the today's summary. So pretty good for me to finalize. This is the pretty. So I'm going to edit the today's summary details. As well as I'm going to show you the tax, service charge, and the number of items into the card. So hope you know how to do that. Again, I'm going to select a card. So it's going to be a brand new card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the tax, summary of the tax, or sum of the tax. So you know how to call out the value, display the units to none, and I'm going to put a title called tax. So the person will be able to know this is a tax summary. If you have any question, you can ask me in chat. So here I have selected the heading too. So here, if you want, you can change the color as well. It is available over here. So text color, maybe I can put text into a different color, maybe this color. Yeah. So I don't want to show you the sum of text. I can hide this one. So as same, I'm going to show you the service charge and the number of items. So I'm going to copy and paste here and just untick this one, and I'm going to select service charge. You see, so without changing lot of things, I can simply change only the data field by copy and paste and change the name inside the title. So straight away I have changed. So here also I'm going to change the color. Pretty good. title. I'm gonna change to typical color like this. Yep. So this is the one of the color. Yeah, okay. Also, if you want to uh, modify or edit or format your background of this particular workspace, you can do it. So I have a pre-built, already designed background which is available with me. So I'm going to take that background with me. Let me show you how to do that. It is available in this location. So how to do that? I'm going to select the blank space in the workspace, and I'm going to format and canvas background. So I'm going to choose my background which is available in this location background. So image feed is filled. So the background is not available. Yeah, I can show you why. So the background it should be normal. Hmm, the background is not available still. And normally the background can be added from here. How I added? Yeah, I have chosen, but the background is not available. What's the difference? Yeah, the transparency was set to 100. That's why the background was not shown in this workspace. I have set the background transparency to 0. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this text somewhere here to make more attractive, or maybe something small. Yeah, yeah. So the today's summer, it's gonna show somewhere here. Maybe we can reduce the font size to make pretty good. The design is up to you on it's all about your creativity. If you can build a customized background, and if you're pretty good about designing, you can make however you want. That is open for you always. So I'm going to tags. I'm going to reduce the amount of tags, and to visualize call out value, and I'm going to call out value. I'm going to take this much. This is the tags. This is also available here. So I'm going to again I'm going to increase some font to tags. Yeah, this is fine, I guess. Okay, and I'm going to delete this one. To delete a particular card, just select this and press delete. So now it's get deleted. So I don't want to show the subtitles or subheadings. So here and tags. So I'm going to copy and paste the tags again to take service charge total or there. So I'm going to take the service charge total somewhere around here. Let me work with service charge later. So here I'm going to change this is the sum of service charge. So I'm going to put SC. So if you have active Power BI in your desktop, you can work with me as well by creating a sample Excel data file. So this fine, and what I'm going to do is here without service charge, I'm going to do uh, I'm going to put restaurant sales summary. So what I'm going to do is here, if you see inside that restaurant, there are so many revenue centers available. So what I'm going to do is Here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pie chart over here and I'm gonna visualize the check table. Here I'm gonna take net total amount and what revenues end to show the the revenue collected from each revenue centers. Also, I'm gonna take this legend over there text. I'm gonna change this legend text to instead of revenue center. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna change the title. Maybe revenue center sales summary, and I'm gonna put a color, beautiful color for me. Yes, I'm gonna check since it's a value. I'm gonna put yeah, it's fine. So you can see now we can create. We have created a dashboard, a storyteller, the operational summary, how much summary for today operation as well as the revenue wise summary. So here what I'm gonna do is again I'm gonna show you a small card how many items has been how many items has been sold on the particular day. So before that I have forgot to show you the Excel sheet. You will pretty confused what is the data and how we are getting this data. So I'm going to show you that first. I'm sorry, I have forgot to show you in the starting. So here, this is my Excel sheet. What it's showing is these are the revenue center inside the restaurant or hotel. There are several revenue centers have a say bar 24 6 cafe, and these are the guest check numbers and subtotal and the tax calculated service charge net total. And if you see these value has calculated from this value, only the subtotal value has entered and these all values have automatically calculated. And these are the employees work on this check or the staff who open and close this check and number of total items. So let's see if in this check 7 menu items has been ordered and the date, particular date. And inside the revenues and the data I don't have anything. So only with this worksheet only I am showing the visualization of the data sheet or the dashboard or storyteller. So hope you understood from where I have get this data and what is inside the Excel sheet. This has to be shown in the earlier, but I have forgot that one. I'm sorry to that. So here I'm going to show you how many total items has been sold inside the revenue center or totally inside the hotel. So without if it's a hard, I don't want to select again and again. I'm going to select the same setting. It's Control C and Control V. I'm paste over here inside this, and I'm gonna what I need is total items. So here total items. So I'm gonna reduce the font for the title. It should be item cow. Maybe we can put over here. Let me check whether my screen is available still. Yeah, that's fine. It's available. There is no issues inside the connection. So I'm going to change this visualization color as well to pretty color value. Yeah, maybe to 36 or 34. Why it's pretty good. Yep, it's perfect. So I can make out something. Display utility is okay and text wrap is off. I don't know of the text wrap, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to reduce the title as well, so it will be clear the call out value. So we'll increase the size. So now it's showing the item count, the total item count sold on the particular hotel. It's perfect. I hope it's perfect. Let me check like this. So the item count also added in the into the dashboard. So what else I'm gonna do? So now I have planned to add some more items or some more visualization inside inside the dashboard. So now the pie chart and the card is available almost. So I'm going to take a column or stocked custard bar or column bar. Let me create a chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bar chart or funnel chart into the dashboard. So funnel chart is available over here. So just click on this one, and what I'm going to take, what are the data I'm going to take out inside the funnel chart. So I'm going to take employee service charge, employee and the service charge I'm going to take out. So the employee service charge is available inside the funnel chart. So we can change the title legend as well. Sum of service charge, yeah, that's fine. It's pretty good. I'm gonna change the each and every colors to make more attractive and beautiful. So there are some questions in your mind. So these all things we have selected is completely automatic. So if we want to filter or if we want to take a filter, what we need to do? So there is an option slicer. If you go and see this slicer, so inside this slicer we can select revenue center. So what it's gonna take in so 1 second, I'm gonna take this slice out. Oh, I'm typing somewhere. So, what is slicer? If you have any idea what is slicer, in a Power BI, a slicer is a user interface element, such as if it's an element in the sense card like that, which user which allows user to filter the data as displayed in a report or visualization. You can filter or you can take a filter with the slicer. Slicer is a type of visual that presents a list of values from a specific field in the data set and allows users to select one or more values to filter the report data. Also, slices are particularly useful for exploring large dataset or comparing data across different categories. So, in this example, we may filter revenue centers or we may filter employee names to visualize the data. Slices can be added to any data, any type of visual in Power BI, such as charts or tables or matrix or pie charts or bars can be customized in various ways to suit the needs of the user. Also, it also can be synchronized across multiple pages. If you see, so what I'm going to do is I have added this slide, but here The old what do you call so all the revenue centers has been selected. So without that, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take to a drop down to change the style to drop down. How to change the style? So each and every element inside the Power BI, if you want to change the style, you need to go to format for your visual and slice the setting. So you can take drop down. So once you publish or share, it will show you how to change this one. So I'm gonna put another slides as well to make more comfortable. There's another slide we can call it. Yeah. So I'm gonna put another slide to take employee name that also drop down to make more settings. So now it is little bit perfect. Okay, so to further, you can move on to further. I'm gonna add a pretty couple of things. The time also going. So at that time, I'm gonna put a line chart over there. So I will put a line chart and I will stop this presentation. So there's a line chart. So line chart, what I'm going to do is net total inside revenue center. So you can see. Okay, so at the moment I'm going to stop up to this since the time has gone and few seconds remaining for my session. So if you see the dashboard has been developed. I guess it has been developed approximately within 20 to 30 minutes. Is it? So how Power BI has a oh wait 1 second. I think I have muted. Yeah, no, it's fine. So so Power BI is a combination tool uh, which allow you to create a dashboard within a 20 or 50 minutes. So once you created a Power BI dashboard like this, how to share or publish among your organization or to others, you can simply publish. Before that, you need to save this document. I'm going to save in my SQL set. So once you saved, you can select your workspace and you can share. Or otherwise, you can take this SQL set.pybx and you can publish. Or you can take that particular file and you can change it. So that's all about this hands-on lab session. So moving to next session. So in the Power BI, so importing data and connecting data is the most typical thing. You can simply do this by get data or query editor or direct query fields. Also select and importing data. We have seen how to do and transforming and clearing data using Power Queries. Also data modeling. If you see, if you have two different data sources, in this short time I have unable to show you how to getting data from two different tables and join, but it's also simple thing. You can just drag and drop or you can just take it from two automatic two different values from two different data sources and created automated columns for creating hierarchies. So creating visualization in Power BI. So this is the important thing. So if you create, so if you create uh, what's important and created the visualization, importance of data visualization in making data understandable and actionable. Also key visualization features in Power BI is such as interactive charts, graphs, customizable colors and styles. Advanced visualization features in Power BI such as ability to create custom visual using Power BI's open source or tips for creating effective data visualization in Power BI. So uh, sharing and collaboration. So in once you created a powerful or creative full dashboard, you need to know how you can including the key features and benefits of Power BI and the importance of day modeling, and how to share uh, among your organization or others. And this you need to uh, you need to know how to set up data alerts and notifications in Power BI. So in the conclusion, what is Power BI and how to impact of what are the impacts of using Power BI? Power BI is a powerful tool of visualizing data analytics and providing insight that can be help business to make more informed decisions. With Power BI, business can connect to a wide range of data sources. Power BI sharing and collaboration features allow business to share their reports and dashboards. Also, to learn more about Power BI and data visualization, you can visit Microsoft's official Power BI website or Microsoft Learn, uh, or join online communities and forums to get more involved. So, thank you for attending my session. Is there any questions in your mind?
No, we don't have any question.
That's
Thank you
fine.
for
That's
the
fine. Thank you.
presentation. It was great. Thank you for sharing your knowledge.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the session.
Thank you.